Guess what? We entered, we got the grey-headed fish eagle, and we heard the call of hooded pitta. And it was two pitta there. And first one I missed it. I somehow missed it, but here is the hooded pitta. Oh my God, such an experience. Into the serene forest of Bibhutibhusan Wildlife Sanctuary, we set out in search of some of the region's most elusive avian treasures, and the jungle truly rewarded us. The highlights of the morning was the incredibly rare Western Hooded Pitta, a dream bird for many birders. Watching this secretive beauty calling and emerging from the forest floor was simply magical. Adding to the excitement, we also witnessed the majestic grey-headed fish eagle and a crested serpent eagle perched on the branch of a tree. From dense woodland trails to the calming sounds of nature, every moment felt so unforgettable. A perfect reminder of how rich and vibrant our wilderness truly is. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Explore Life with Sutapa. We are today at Bibhutibhusan Wildlife Sanctuary and you stay with us to know what we can find here. During summers, when it is hot and extremely humid, a rare bird, Western Hooded Pitta, visits the Bibhutibhusan Wildlife Sanctuary in West Bengal. Western Hooded Pitta are migratory birds. This beautiful bird bounces about on the shaded forest floor in search of food. It is extremely difficult to spot this bird even if you can hear its call, a kind of short barking sound, and hence many people misses it. It is found in wooded areas and visits Bibhutibhusan Wildlife Sanctuary every summer where it breeds. We went to Bibhutibhusan Wildlife Sanctuary, formerly known as Parmadan Forest, in search of this beauty. In 2024, we had seen just a glimpse of this bird and got a record shot of this bird. We went again last year but didn't find this bird, so this time we went again to try our luck. As we entered the Parmadan Forest, we could feel the hot and humid weather. However, we were transferred into a world of avian beauty. The forest was filled with the calls of birds. We went ahead and near a water body found a majestic grey-headed fish eagle perched on the branch of a tree. Last year when we visited the forest, we had the sighting of a juvenile grey-headed fish eagle and this was an adult. Grey-headed fish eagles are fierce-looking brown and white fish eaters. These birds forages around rivers, lakes and swamplands. Grey-headed fish eagles are quite vocal and can be spotted with its call. There is grey-headed fish eagle which is sitting right there on the branch. Oh, it has been sitting there for a long time now. Today there is simply no one in this wildlife sanctuary, only me and Abhishek. It's a wonderful feeling. While photographing the grey-headed fish eagle, I heard a call. a short barking sound. Another one from the opposite direction. Western Hooded Pitta. Wow!
Here we just shot the grey-headed fish eagle, and here we heard the hooded pitta just now. Here it stopped calling. Let's wait and see. Should be there somewhere. Yes, it is there.
We started to look for it. My husband Abhishek spotted it first. He was jumping out of excitement while I was struggling to spot it from my height. It called again and then I saw it. I took some shots, but bad luck, the camera settings were not proper. Taking proper shots in the dense jungle is a matter of practice and proper settings, and without correct settings and practice, there are high chances of missing the shots. The Western Hooded Pitta, who was calling from the opposite side, was now closer. We tried to spot it and finally I got few decent shots. It gave me hardly a few seconds before it flew away, but I was lucky to get it in the open, and now I was jumping out of excitement.
Guess what? We entered, we got the grey-headed fish eagle, and we heard the call of hooded pitta, and it was two pitta there, and first one I missed it. I somehow missed it, but here is the hooded pitta. Oh my god, such an experience. What will I say? I am super excited now. Let's try for the brown fish owl now.
After shooting the Western Hooded Pitta, we went to check on the other sides of the forest. And this time our target was brown fish owl. We searched for it extensively, however could not spot it. While searching for the brown fish owl, we again spotted the Western Hooded Pitta. We also spotted a crested serpent eagle.
We just found a crested serpent eagle. It is sitting there. Here it is. It's right there, sitting in one of the branches of the tree.
Crested serpent eagle is a majestic raptor quite common in the forest of India, yet not so common in Parmadan Forest. This bird feeds mainly on snakes, though it also feeds on lizards, frogs, small mammals, birds, and large insects. This bird inhabits tropical and subtropical forest, mangroves, and wetlands of South and Southeast Asia. After shooting the raptor, we went again to the area where we have sighted the hooded pitta. Here we met with other birders who were waiting for the Western Hooded Pitta. There I met other birders like Somya, Arijita, and few other birders whom I didn't know earlier and I met for the first time. It was delightful to meet them. I also met a family of Anindita madam where both the kids were birdwatching with their parents. It was really appreciable to see the kids birdwatching in such a hot and humid weather without complaining. It is always a pleasure to meet other birders on the field where we can have a chat about the common subjects, the avian beauty. And while we were chatting, we spotted the Western Hooded Pitta the fourth time. It was around 12:45 p.m. now when we decided to leave the forest. From this time, the heat and humidity inside the forest becomes unbearable. Some other birds that we spotted We freshened up and had our lunch at Tripti Hotel. This hotel is located at the main gate of the Parmadan Forest, and you have to order your food in the morning when you enter the forest. Here you can get home cooked, fresh, warm, and very tasty meal. Now, here are some important points to consider while you are visiting the Parmadan Forest. This stay was with rare, beautiful birds, great company of other birders, and delicious food, which made our day very special. And if this video has been enjoyable, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. So, till the next video, next series, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.